Hi, my name is S.Chidi, and today I'm going to show you how to install Power BI Desktop. The first thing you want to do is download it. So open a browser, make sure you go to Google, type Power BI Desktop, press return, and choose the Download Microsoft Power BI link. Click on Download. In my case, I'm going to choose a 64.msi file and I'm going to click Next. You can see it's already downloading. I've actually cheated, so I have downloaded the file already. So it's here in my folder and you can see PBI Desktop x64. So if you double click on that, it starts installing straight away. I'm going to close all these windows so you can actually see it installing. All you need to do is just accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next, Next. Yes, I want to create a desktop shortcut, and then I click on Install. It's actually a very fast install. Say yes there, so you can see how it's moving really quickly. Copy new files and you can see the speed. And we're almost getting towards the end. You can see that my icon has already been created. And there you are. I have installed Power BI Desktop. So I'm going to launch it so we can have a quick look. And again, it really is a very fast application. You can see this is Power BI and it's already installed. So when you first launch your application, you will get this screen here and you can close that. And you're ready to start getting your data. You can get data from various sources, and that will be my next session. So thank you very much. Thanks.